How to test nitrous oxide with the CITREX H5. Connect the MultiGasAnalyser adapter to the AC power and then the MultiGasAnalyser to the adapter. Wait until the LED stops blinking. Connect the MultiGasAnalyser adapter to the RS-232 port. Connect the tubing to the gas outlet for venting to the exterior. To receive data from the MultiGasAnalyser, the IRMA protocol must be selected within the RS-232 option in the Settings menu. Tap the Settings tile, then tap Device. Scroll until you reach RS-232. Tap it and select the IRMA protocol. Tap the home screen icon. Tap the calibration tile and then tap the IRMA zeroing tile. Tap on Start Zeroing to proceed with the calibration. The calibration will take a few seconds. Please wait until the calibration process is finished. Tap the home screen icon. Tap the measurement tile. To ensure a safe environment for all participants, please confirm all connections are properly secured and the nitrous oxide outlet is correctly set up before initiating the test. Perform the test by connecting the gas tubing to the MultiGasAnalyser and the MultiGasAnalyser to the main flow channel of the CITREX H5. Open the gas source. Verify the percentage of the nitrous oxide at different flow rates. You can also use our Flow Lab software to view the values. Change the flow and verify the percentage of the nitrous oxide.